Hi, very good morning, children. We have completed three chapters. Chapter 1 Integers, Chapter 2 Fractions and Decimals, Chapter 3 Data Handling. Today we are going to start a new chapter, and the chapter name is Rational Numbers Part 1. In this chapter, we are going to learn the topics like what is rational numbers, types of rational number, and operation of rational numbers. In the first chapter, we have learned what is whole number, natural numbers, and integers. Can you remember that, dear students? Yes. Let us recall once again whole number, natural number, and integers. Whole numbers are include all natural numbers with 0. Natural numbers are set of numbers from 1 to infinity. Natural numbers are counting numbers. Natural number, whole number, and their negatives are held by integers. Now we are going to learn about what is rational numbers. Now we are going to learn about what is rational numbers. As we know that a ratio like 2:5 can also be written as 2 by 5. The rational numbers can be expressed in the form of P by Q. P is numerator and Q is denominator. P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Example 3 by 7. 3 is numerator and 7 is denominator. Another one example minus 5 by 9. Minus 5 is numerator and 9 is denominator. 3 by 7 and minus 5 by 9 is rational number. Every natural number is a rational number. Example 1 can be written as 1 by 1. 2 can be written as 2 by 1. 15 can be written as 15 by 1. Therefore, every natural number is a rational number. The second condition, all whole numbers are rational number. Example 0 can be written as 0 by 1. 45 can be written as 45 by 1. Every integer is a rational number. Example minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 1. Minus 16 is equal to minus 16 by 1. Fourth condition, many fraction like 3 by 5, 6 by 12, 15 by 4 like fraction, unlike fraction, proper, improper are rational numbers. Decimal numbers like 0.6, 3.2, each of such numbers can be written as an ordinary fraction and hence are rational number. Example 0.6 is equal to 6 by 10. 0.666 can be written as 666 divided by 1000. Now look at this picture. Natural number, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. Natural numbers is starting from 1 to infinity. Natural numbers are called as counting numbers. Next one is the whole numbers. Whole numbers are 0 and including the natural numbers. Next one, integers. Integers, whole number and their negatives is called as integers. Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers are held by rational numbers. Now let us see types of rational number. It can classified into two types. First one, positive rational number, and the second type, negative rational number. Now let us see one by one. The first type name is positive rational number. The rational number whose both numerator and denominator either both are positive or negative is called positive rational number. Example, 1 by 2 minus 2 by minus 3. Look at this example. Rational numbers, both numerator and denominator of these numbers have same sign. Such rational numbers are called positive rational number. Look at this example, 1 by 2 and minus 2 by minus 3. Both numerator and denominator, both numerator and denominator of these numbers have same sign. Such rational numbers are called positive rational number. The next type name is negative rational number. If the rational numbers are either numerator or denominator is negative, is called negative rational number. Example, minus 2 by 5. The numerator of this rational number is minus 2, which is negative, and the denominator of this rational number is 5, which is positive. Such a rational number is called negative rational number. For example, pick out positive and negative rational numbers from the given rational numbers. Minus 2 by 3, minus 1 by minus 3, and 7 by minus 10, 0, minus 8. Now let us see the solution. First one, minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 is negative rational number because its numerator is negative and the denominator is positive. Next one, minus 1 by minus 3. Minus 1 by minus 3 is positive rational number because it is both numerator and denominator have same sign, negative sign. Next one, 7 by minus 10. 7 by minus 10 is negative rational number because it is numerator is positive and the denominator is negative. Next one, 0. 0 is neither a positive nor a negative rational number. Last one, minus 8. Minus 8 is negative rational number because Its numerator is negative and the denominator is positive. Minus 8 can be written as minus 8 by 1. Now we will see equivalent rational numbers. Just as multiplication, the division of the numerator and denominator by the same non-zero integer also gives equivalent rational numbers. Let us see the example. Question number 1. Write the 4 equivalent rational number of minus 4 by 5. Let us see the solution. Minus 4 by 5 multiplied by 2 table, we get minus 4 2s are minus 8, minus 8 by 10. Next table multiply by 3, minus 4 by 5 into 3 by 3. Minus 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. Minus 4 by 5 equivalent number is minus 12 by 15. We see that minus 4 by 5 is same as minus 12 by 15. Next multiply the table 4. Minus 4 4s are minus 16. 5 4s are 20. Next last one, minus 4 by 5 multiply by 5 table. Minus 4 5s are 20. 5 5s are 25. We see that minus 4 by 5 is same as minus 20 by 25. Now let us see standard form of rational numbers. Question number 1. Reduce minus 35 by 40 to the standard form. Step 1. Find the HCF of 35 and 40. HCF of 35 and 40. HCF of 35 and 40 is 5. Step 2. Divide by the 5 table. 35 divided by 5 minus 35 divided by 5 we get minus 7. 40 divided by 5 we get 8. Reduced term of minus 35 by 40 is minus 7 by 8. We will see the another one question. Reduce 48 by 30 minus 36 to the standard form. Step 1. Find the HCF of 48 and 36. HCF of 48 and 36 is 12. Next step 2. Divide the 12 table. 48 divided by 12 we get 4 and 36 minus 36 divided by 12 we get minus 3. So the reduced term of 48 divided by 36 is 4 by minus 3. Dear students, now take your classwork notes. Now we are going to write the classwork notes. Take the first page. Write chapter number 9. And write the chapter name. Chapter name is rational number. Dear students, use black pen to write heading and questions, and the steps can be written in blue color pen. Write the definition of rational number. Then after that write rational number examples. Definition of rational number and the examples of rational number. Copy down in our classwork notes. After that, write the heading as types of rational number, positive rational number and negative rational number. After that, write the heading as positive rational number. Copy down definition of rational number and examples in the classwork note. The next heading is negative rational number. Copy down definition of negative rational number and examples of negative rational number in your classwork note. After that, write the heading as equivalent rational numbers. Copy down this example in the classwork note. After that, write the heading as standard form of rational numbers. Copy down these examples in the classwork note. After you have completed classwork note, take the photos and send the images to edustar.7@gmail.com.